I'm super happy that this little girl came to wrestle, right? She wasn't gonna, and then somehow she decided she wanted to beat up her brother. Bella, get over here. Bella, Bella, right here. And then here, come back and I'll give you this. Go put that away and then come right back. Oh, Jet's not here?
Hurry up.
All right, I will. The next one. I love this little guy. These three right here are maybe my favorite of all, just because they like to beat on each other and one's crying 1 second, the other's crying the next second. I really appreciate all three of them. But this one, Steel, get up here. Steel, you have a lot of potential, buddy. Shake my hand. Boom. Here's this. Look at your mom. There you go. Woo.
Steel, babe.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Over there. Grab that.
Can you turn around one more time so I can
Okay. He's gonna be crazy. He already is, and he's got some brothers to push him. I'm really excited to see where he goes if he stays with it. Kanai, come here. Look at your mom. Smile. I'm sorry. That's like really difficult. Okay, the next little one that I really love a lot. You know, we have a Steel, we have a Kanai, and then we got a Bricks. They're all little beasts, and if they stay with each other, they're going to be killers when they get older. Bricks, get over here. Bricks, this is for you. Shake my hand. Boom. Here, take this. Look over here. Look at Auntie. Smile. There you go. This is for you too, buddy. Yeah. Another one of the tribe. This little girl, she is a hammer. A little bit more experience. Woo! She's gonna be smashing little boys every day. Sapphire. There you go. Look right here. Here, this is for you too. Okay, next. This seems to be a theme. Little kids that are incredibly tough. You're welcome, parents. I'm just kidding. I didn't start her from the beginning. She came to me very tough already. I'm incredibly proud to call her one of my students, pupils. I hope to help her along her way as much as I possibly can, because she already is a beast. Sky, never rolled before, didn't know what he thought he was going to think of it, came out, gave it an awful lot of effort, and right, these brothers, they're the kind of brothers that, hey, it's more about what happens later, right? The more you try, the better you become. Damien. Where's Damien? Get over here. No camera? Okay, turn around. Camera right there. Here, take this. Oh, there you go. Auntie, say hi. Hey. Again, same theme, right? Brothers. I am really new wrestler, never rolled around before, came with an absolute green attitude, had no idea what he was doing, but gave the effort and wanted to get better. And it's just nothing but up. I'm very proud to give this to Billy. Good job, my man. Hurry up. And then, and then give that from her. There you go. All right. again, brand new to my club. I'm just incredibly happy that he's on my team. He is tough as nails. Again, go run through that wall. Yes, coach. Just does it. Doesn't matter. He always tries. And you can see that he's always thinking, trying to get better. And that's the thing that matters in this sport, or any sport, or in life, right? To try and get better. BJ. So hurry up, Mom. You're welcome, my man. Thank you. Okay. This little girl, I don't know, I can't even put into words how much she's improved and how much she tries. And when she doesn't succeed, she doesn't throw a fit. You can see she just wants to be better. And again, like, it's a theme, right? All these kids try really, really hard, and it's a testament to the parents, all you parents. Also, it is her birthday. Logan! Here, take this. Silly? How old are you? 12?
9.
All right. Later. She's getting another one. Okay, this young man. He's been with me for a couple seasons now, and every time he wrestles, every time he practices, I'm just so happy he's there. And he's getting so much better every single season and every day on the mat. It's a process, and it takes time. Right? That light bulb turns on for everyone at different times, and his is beginning to turn on. And I'm very excited to see what's next. Troy. Okay, now this way. Here. This is for you. You're welcome. All right. This smart, tough, listens. You know, there's so many adjectives I could use. I'm happy to coach him. I'm happy where he's gonna go because he's gonna go far. Jason. So, this young man, again, very, very new. I had no idea what he was doing. I would tell him to sprawl and he would just smile really big and look at me with a look like, what? But he kept trying and got better and got better and got better. And I've been told recently that he's very excited to come back, and I'm very excited for him to come back because good things happen to those that try really hard. DJ. We got a couple of them, as tough as they come. As tough as they come. She came to me tough. She's just always tough. She doesn't like to lose. This year she had a bit of a tough year, but she got kind of bumped up to a tougher level. But tough. She's gonna be smashing boys and girls, the tougher ones, very soon. Alana. Also, with that same theme, girl, tough. These two girls wrestle each other every single day in practice. They wrestle each other almost every week. It is frustrating for me to watch them have to wrestle each other all the time. Probably frustrating for their parents to have to watch it all the time. But tough. This girl, just like Alana,
What is that for
if she keeps wrestling, she's just going to be really, really good. I'm very proud to coach her, and I love her on my team. Kavai. These ones are for me. Take them home. Hey, so this young man, right, he's had a lot of ups and downs. He tries really hard. Sometimes he comes up short, sometimes he wins big. It's a process, I will tell him every time, it's a process. All he's got to do is keep trying, good things will happen. I believe in him, the team believes in him. Trey.
I'm just videoing. Go ahead, Chris.
All right, another incredibly tough girl. I don't know, she must get it from her dad and her mom. Her mom's tough too, just tough. You know, she came out of the gate really slow, didn't know what to do. And I don't know what happened, but this year, man, we're the Hurricanes, and she came out like a hurricane. I'm proud of her. Candy. Turn this way first. He's a tough kid. He's really athletic. He's a 3 or 4 sport kid. He's always busy. You know, he's gonna be tough. He is tough. He's gonna be really good. This year, he kind of came out of his shell a bit, and I saw things that I hadn't seen before. And I want to take some of that newfound aggression and hone it. And he's gonna be, you know, with pressure comes diamonds. Julian. Higher first. Just because they were really new to the club, they left a little early, but I sure hope they come back because they both have a lot of potential, and they're perfect training partners for each other because they're the same size, the same weight, the same age, the same birthday, the same hair color, the same everything. They just got to keep on fighting and keep trying. Rie is a tough little girl. I'm really proud to see her progression on the mat. She's gonna be something special, and she's gonna beat up her brother a lot until the brother catches up. As boys always catch up later. Sean's gonna be, you know, I don't know what school are they gonna go to. Campo. I keep teaching all these Campbell killers, man. It's driving me nuts. I'm really happy that they're on the team, and I can't wait till they come back. They're coming back, right, Mom? Oh, look at her. She's like, I don't know. Come on, you guys. Sean, Rie. You're coming back, right? Hold on. Stay right there. Back up. Stay right there. All right, now come here.